Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error message that your system was unable to make changes to your software. Error message 0x643 and in parentheses 1603. So if you're trying to install third-party applications onto your computer and you're coming across this error message, this should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, come back with command prompt, go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Give it a second and then it should run successfully. And once again, see if that has now resolved the problem once you ran that. Something else we could try here as well, if we go on to a web browser, doesn't matter which one. And I'm going to do the Net Framework Repair tool. Just going to search for it. Head over to Microsoft's website here, so it should have Microsoft.com in the URL here. Go ahead and select the Microsoft.NET Framework Repair tool. Again, go directly to Microsoft's website and select the orange download button. Go ahead and open up the downloaded file and then again make sure verify publisher is Microsoft Corporation and select yes. You can close out the web browser at this time and you want to read and accept the license terms and then select next. Select next again. And then select finish. And then once that's done, I would suggest restarting your computer. And hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.